Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable make.com to automate lead capture with Typeform. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.com. Log in to your make.com account. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button and create one. Once logged in, click on the create a new scenario button. In the scenario editor, click on the large plus icon to add your first module. Search for Typeform in the module search bar. Select Typeform from the list of available applications. Choose the Watch Responses option from the Typeform trigger options. Now, you'll need to connect your Typeform account. Click on that Add button to create a new connection. You'll see a pop-up prompting you for your Typeform API token. To find your API token, log into your Typeform account and go to the Account section. Copy your API token from the Typeform account settings. Return to make.com and paste your Typeform API token into the connection field. Click Save to complete the connection. Next, select the Typeform form you want to capture responses from. Once you select the form, click OK to continue. Now it's time to add another module for your lead capture system. Click on the plus icon again to add another module. Search for and select the application you want to use for storing leads, such as Google Sheets or your CRM. Choose the appropriate action, such as create row or add contact, depending on your chosen application. Now, connect your chosen application account to make.com, just like you did with Typeform. Once connected, map the fields from Typeform to your lead storage application. Ensure that you correctly match each Typeform field to the corresponding field in your chosen application. After mapping the fields, click OK to proceed. To test your automation, click on the Run Once button in the scenario editor. Submit a test response through your Typeform form. Return to make.com after submitting the test form. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.